Hello and welcome to this session. In today's unit, Unit 5, Legislation, Regulation, Ethics, and Codes of Practice, we will explore how a digital marketing agency ensures compliance and ethical operations. Using the example of B2C Carmezinas, this session will highlight the frameworks for legislation, ethical standards, and IT roles, helping us understand how organizations operate responsibly in the digital marketing landscape. The assignment is set at Level 4 with grading options of Pass, Merit, and Distinction. It involves a compliance and ethics review at B2C Carmezinas. There are 3 main tasks: legislation, ethics and policies, and IT roles. All pass criteria must be met before pursuing higher grades. The focus is on maintaining ethical and legal operations. B2C Carmezinas is a global digital marketing agency. They handle both consumer and organizational data. The focus is on compliance within the specific country or region. The aim is to avoid reputational damage and ensure ethical, legal operation. Understanding compliance is crucial for their success. Prepare presentation slides on relevant legislation and regulation. Explain the relationship between legislation and data security. Include HCI accessibility legislation for web developers. For merit, assess the importance of meeting legal requirements. Evaluate the impact of legal issues for distinction. Write short articles for a website, focusing on ethical best practices. Explain ethical issues in IT roles and emerging technologies. Examine the need for policies and procedures. Merit requires assessing the importance of standardized policies. Evaluate the impact of these policies for distinction. Correct. Create a table profiling 6 IT roles, including data analyst and cybersecurity technologist. Include core skills, competencies, and certifications. For merit, assess the role of professional bodies. Explain their importance in maintaining standards. This task focuses on understanding IT roles and responsibilities. Task 1 requires presentation slides on legislation. Ensure clear justification and evaluation for higher grades. The slides should describe relevant legislation and regulation. Explain how it relates to data and system security. Meeting these requirements is essential for success. Task 2 involves creating website-style written content. Focus on ethical best practices and policies. Articles should be concise, between 150 to 200 words each. Clearly justify and evaluate for higher grades. This task emphasizes the importance of ethics in IT. Task 3 requires a structured table for IT roles. Include a summary for merit. The table should profile roles like DevOps engineer and network engineer. Highlight core skills, competencies, and certifications. Justification and evaluation are crucial for achieving higher grades. Compliance is key to avoiding reputational damage. B2C Carmezinas must focus on regional compliance. Ethical and legal operations are crucial. Understanding legislation and regulation is vital. This focus ensures the agency's success and integrity. Ethical best practices guide IT roles and emerging technologies. Policies and procedures are necessary for security and data management. Standardized policies help in maintaining consistency. Assessing their importance is crucial for merit. Evaluating their impact is key for distinction. Profiling IT roles involves understanding core skills and competencies. Certifications and professional bodies play a significant role. They help in maintaining professional standards. This task focuses on understanding diverse IT roles. It highlights the importance of structured profiles. Legislation ensures data and system security. Understanding its impact is crucial for digital marketing agencies. Compliance helps avoid legal issues and reputational damage. Meeting legal requirements is essential for merit. evaluating legal impacts is necessary for distinction. Policies and procedures are vital for security and data management. Standardized policies ensure consistency and efficiency. Assessing their importance is crucial for higher grades. Evaluating their impact involves considering cost and resistance. This task highlights the need for structured policies. Professional bodies and certifications ensure high standards in IT roles. They provide guidelines and maintain professional integrity. This task emphasizes their importance in the industry. Understanding their role is crucial for maintaining standards. It highlights the value of continuous professional development. Conclusion: B. 2C Carmesinus exemplifies the critical role of compliance and ethics in business operations. By adhering to legislation, implementing ethical practices, and clearly defining IT role responsibilities, the organization ensures both legal and ethical standards are maintained. This holistic approach not only mitigates risks, but also protects the company's reputation and supports long-term success. If you need any help, just WhatsApp 07484361688. Our team is always ready to assist. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in the next session.